XRP is on track for a 3.2% increase by May 16, Traders Union shows. Before anything else, let's check the chart conditions. At the time of this recording, XRP shows a 1.8% increase and is trading close to $1.4594. Moving on to what analysts are projecting. According to Traders Union, we might see $1.51 by May 16, about 3.2% higher than now. CoinPrice forecast expects XRP could lift to $1.50, an estimated rise of 2.5%. Digital CoinPrice points out it could head toward $1.4504 on the downside, about 0.9% lower. A different forecast from Gulf Capital Collector notes XRP could head lower to $1.4217, about 2.8% below current levels. And finally, CoinDataFlow highlights a move toward $1.40 by May 16, representing a loss of 4.3%. This stands as the most profitable forecast in today's lineup. We've looked at 5 different projections. Let's continue. With the outlooks in place, let's break them down numerically. Looking at the forecast side by side, the projected movement in price is between a drop of 4.3% and an increase of 3.2%, depending on the analyst. By the look of it, CoinDataFlow is calling for the highest return with 4.3% gain in value by May 16. That means you could earn between $9 and $43 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility taken into account, Digital CoinPrice's forecast indicates the most likely movement, with a 76.2% chance of success. Combining all 5 forecasts, I've prepared a single consensus outlook. Consensus trends suggest XRP could stabilize near $1.4564. Okay, here's the deeper look. The consensus projection points to a 0.5% drop in price by tomorrow. To put it simply, your capital could likewise gain by 0.5% if the scenario holds. If you used $1,000 here, the move might show a potential profit of around $5, which adds up to a probability of about 79.6% for the consensus forecast to hold true. To put it in perspective, here's what analysts are projecting for the 3-day horizon. Traders Union expects XRP to rise over the next few days. Additionally, CoinPrice forecast describes the trajectory as climbing steadily. Digital CoinPrice emphasizes a downward trajectory. According to meanwhile Gulf Capital Collector, the market is likely to trend downward. Also, CoinDataFlow signals weakness, pointing to a fall. Consensus forecasts indicate XRP will show little to no price movement in the short term. So the shared outcome highlights that the majority see XRP falling. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were posted. Now we compare them with yesterday's outcome. As a result, the market settled at $1.4851. The closing price showed that just a handful of forecasts were accurate. CoinPrice forecast came out with the most exact forecast. Let's go deeper into how it played out. Yesterday's candle showed 3 forecasts inside. When it comes to ROI, a handful of positive outcomes emerged, with the best return of 5%. Here's the results overview, a compact comparison of every forecast. Meanwhile, CoinPrice forecast had a pre-estimated probability of 71.1% inaccuracy and 0.9% ROI. Look carefully and spot who stayed closest to the real move. Now we'll look at the forecasted returns for tomorrow and where XRP fits among other cryptos. The leader in tomorrow's profitability outlook is AVE at 2.1% with XRP positioned below. This section compares XRP to 4 random cryptocurrencies. A much broader view of forecasted returns is already displayed on my website. If this made things clearer for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.